You see how I do my makeup? Very demure, very mindful. I don't look like a clown. I don't do too much. I'm very mindful. See how I look? Very presentable, very demure, very mindful.
Hey guys, we're gonna get started. You guys, I am so obsessed with this ponytail. I did a video on it. I'm gonna leave a link down below in the description box. Make sure you guys go check it out. And then we're gonna get started. So we're going to use my Bobbi Brown moisturizer. I love this moisturizer so much. It leaves my face feeling so smooth and so hydrated and so nice. I have combination skin and it works perfectly fine for me. Then I'm going to use the Milk Matte Primer. I have this in a stick, but I also love using the cream. I love this primer so much. It kind of reminds me of the Becca one, kind of, sort of. It kind of smells similar too. I love this primer so much because it keeps my face matte all day. Then I'm going to use the Tilbury setting powder. This is in the deepest shade, believe it or not. And I'm going to basically put that all over my face where I get oily at the most. Next, I'm going to take my Tilbury foundation. This is in the shade 14N. And then I'm going to put that all over my face and blend it all out. You guys, I love this foundation so much. I did think it was darker at one point, but it actually works perfectly fine in the summertime for me. Maybe not in the wintertime, but it's so and it dries matte, but it's not dry. You get what I'm saying? Like you know how some foundation that's matte dries very like cakey. This is not that. And then I'm going to take my Christian Dior. This is their concealer. This is closer to my shade, so I use this as a base so I can have like a smoother base. And then I'm going to let that sit for a little bit and take my LYS contour stick and contour my contour area. And I'm going to take my blending brush and I'm going to blend it all in. I use this as a base because I want a smooth base, like I mentioned before. And I find it kind of like hides away the dark circles, so it's perfect. Make sure you go in a circular motion when you're contouring because you want that to like give a nice seamless blend as possible. Take my nose contour stick. This is from Black Radiance. I like it because it's small and it's more defined. I'm going to contour my nose. I like to take it up on my eyelid, because it's just a very nice transition and it kind of like fades into my eyelids and creates like this nice shadowy effect because I don't even wear eyeshadow. Then I'm going to take my Milk Matte Spray and spray my face so I can set it all in. Now that the base is completed, I'm going to go straight into the concealer. I'm going to use my Too Faced concealer. This is in the shade, I think Marble, if not, probably like Warm Honey or something. I don't know, y'all, I love doing nose contour now. Before I was like a little scared, but when a good nose contour will really make your makeup pop. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, while you're watching this, make sure you go ahead and subscribe right now, because why not? I'm going to take my Juvias Place blushes and I'm going to apply them in my cheeks. I'm going to leave the name of the blush that I'm using in the description box, and I'm going to blend it all out before I add my third shade of concealer. For the third shade, I decided to use the Charlotte Tilbury concealer this time, and as that set, I'm going to go ahead and do my lip liner. I like to pay attention to my cuticle area because I like that to look super sharp. I get a lot of compliments on my lips. I don't know. Sometimes I be feeling like iffy about it, but whatever. And then I'm going to take this e.l.f. concealer. This is their matte concealer and it dries super quick. So I'm just going to go and blend that with the Charlotte Tilbury because it's a little brighter and I want a nice bright under eye. While I'm blending, I like to keep in mind that I want my nose contour to stay in the same position so I don't go too crazy. And then I'm going to take my One Side setting powder. I love this setting powder. This is like my holy grail. It used to be the Laura Mercier, but this one is it, definitely. And I'm going to put it everywhere that I highlighted so it can be flawless. I like to go in again under my eyes so it can be a nice bright look. Then I'm going to take my bronzer from Makeup by Mario and I'm going to place it on everywhere that I contour because why not? I love bronzer. I love setting my face. Like that's probably like my favorite part of makeup, like literally. And then I'm going to take my blush from NARS. This is their Orgasm Blush Duo. It was a holiday collection. I love it so much and I'm just going to apply it where I applied the blush. I love this concept, like wherever you apply the liquid is where you set with the powder. And then I'm going to take my Milk mascara and I'm going to put that in my bottom lash because I have lash extensions, I think. Are those lashes? No, those not lash extensions, but it looks really, really, really good. I'm going to leave a link to the lashes down below because that looks just like my lash extensions, like seriously. Then I'm going to set my face with two setting sprays, the One Size and also the Milk setting spray. And then I'm going to take my Lancôme lipstick. I love their lipstick. They sent it to me for PR and I ended up loving every last one of them. I haven't tried the darkest shade yet, but the nude shade, chef's kiss. And then I'm going to apply some Anastasia Beverly Hills nude lip gloss on top to give it that pop. Because I'm a glossy girl at the end of the day, like even if I wear lipstick. The face is bomb. I look good. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you guys so much and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.